Hello everyone, I am Stella and welcome to vlog. This time, let us cook a very easy recipe that is recommended for single those who are alone. This is a hot and spicy tuna pasta. Let us start by boiling these 3 cups of water. Here are the basic ingredients. We have here a spiral pasta, but any shape of pasta can do. A can of hot and spicy tuna. And then, I'd like to add a sliced button mushroom. And half of an onion, few cloves of garlic, and ground black pepper. And then a Parmesan cheese. This will make the difference. Now let us add small amount of oil to the water until boiling, while we slice the onion and garlic. Since our water is boiling, let us cook the pasta as directed on the package. But since you are single or living alone, just drop enough pieces of pasta for just one. We have to stir this until cook, and then we will drain the water. I believe this is enough for one. Now, let us saute our garlic and onion with oil, or you can use butter as you wish. You have all your freedom since you are single. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click that red subscribe button down below and that notification bell as it means a lot to us. Thank you for showing your support. When it is already golden brown, we can add the hot and spicy tuna and the sliced button mushroom. We need only half can of this, and the other half will be used for other recipes. We just have to cook this together for a few minutes, then we can add our pasta. When it is about to be done, let us add desired amount of ground black pepper and stir until done. Alright, so it is time to pour on a regular plate. Then, let's sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. You have to be generous this time to yourself while you're still single. So, here it is. This is now our hot and spicy tuna pasta. Come on, let's taste it. Thank you so much for watching. See you again.